How to remove audio from a video in Canva. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove audio from a video in Canva. So without further ado, let's dive into our video. Go to your Google account. Go to your Canva account. And by the way guys, Canva is a versatile online design platform that also offers video editing capabilities, and if you have a video with unwanted or background audio, you can easily remove it using Canva's video editing features. Whether you're creating a content for social media or professional projects, in this tutorial will guide you through the process and steps to mute or remove the audio from your device on Canva. So here, this is our Canva account. Click on this part right here. Let's search for a template. So for example, YouTube thumbnails. Click on create blank. Right here, let's use this one. And let's go to elements. So let's try to add in traffic. So once you add on traffic, click on this part right here for videos. So here, let's see if this one have a sound. So this one don't have sound. Let's edit this one. Traffic with sound. So let's try to click this one. So here, let's see if we can hear. This one right here. It has no sound, but let's find one with sounds. So here. So as you can see, this one has a sound right here. So let's play this one. Let's set it up first. So let's play this one more time. As you can hear, there are sounds of the background right here. So in order for us to remove this, you have to click on this volume right here. You can lessen down the voice, or you can also just mute it. Click on this mute button right here. Oh, and that's simple guys. You can mute or remove sound from your video on your Canva editing software. So that's it, and you've successfully learned how to remove audio from a video in Canva by following the steps we've outlined in this video. You can now edit your videos with precision and precision and eliminate unwanted audio. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Canva and video editing tutorials. And by the way guys, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to feel free and leave them in the comment section down below. And always guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.